still making sure that we can find the least common multiple. And if I don't tell you what method to use, you can use whatever method you want. Okay? You found a factor. If it's smaller than what you started with, you know it's a factor. Okay? When you're finding the LCM of something, if the number you come up with is smaller than the two numbers you started with, you know you've done a factor and not a multiple. Okay? Yes. Yes. Boy, the guys over here on the south are saying, man, you gave us the hard one.
Yeah.
Got it done? Nope. I gotta look at my number again. Okay, I think I need to be fair to those of you that are on the north or on the south. Everybody, we're gonna stop. I'm gonna give you a break because I know what's happening over there. It's ugly. They got a hard one. If you are on the north here, this is the north. We're going to Parsons over here. What is the LCM of 6 and 10? What is the LCM? 30? 30? Everybody agrees. This one was 30. This one's easy to go by multiples, isn't it? They're both small. And I know I've got 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Well, that's pretty simple. And I know 10 times 3 is 30, right? So 30 was really easy. That was easy, LCM. Okay, now let's go back to the other one. How many of you on the south have tried listing multiples of 32 and 52? I don't want to do that, and the reason why I don't is because those are going to get big, aren't they? They're going to get ugly. So I got two methods. When I know I'm dealing with bigger numbers, which method would be the wiser one to choose? The tree. So factor it out. 32 factor tree says, what was that? 4 and 8 I just heard? 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2. Right?
Yep.
Okay. Now, did I say you have to use prime factorization? Nope. I got my tree though. I know what my prime factors are. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. 52.
26 and 2.
2 and 26.
I did 3 though. I mean 4 times 13.
What are you going with? 26.
13 and 2.
Okay. Now, I didn't say I didn't tell you you had to use prime factorization. I said you gotta find, okay, I'm looking at this and I'm gonna have a party. I'm pulling a party. Right there, I'm stopping. Ah, party! The biggest group gets to come. Here is the biggest group of twos. And 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is what number? So I get to bring 32. Now, the twos are already at the party. So these guys don't get to go. Sorry, you can't come. What number is left behind that hasn't got?
460.
And right there is 416. That is the easiest way to do that. However, and I know, and I'm fine with this, if you always want to go, well, here's my prime factorization, and I'm perfectly fine with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here I've got 2 times 2. I don't have that one. I don't have that one. I don't have that one. But I got a 13. And I don't have that. And I want to take it from there and bring down the columns. That is perfectly fine. There is nothing wrong with always sticking with those columns. 2 times 2 times 2. Am I going to get the same answer that I did? Yes, I am. Now, Mrs. Rickstraw's been doing this a few years. Okay? And so I don't always have to do that because I know how to do it. And I know how to do it well. If it's something that whenever somebody says do a prime factorization and you don't remember from time to time how to do it, then always do it that way so you know you're always getting that answer that way. Okay? But if it doesn't say you have to do it one way or the other, you can just group them together. Party them up. Okay? Parties at Aubrey's house. Got it? She says, not at my house. My mom's gonna have a fit. Okay. Any questions on either one of those? Either one of them? Okay. 3 of them. 3 numbers. How you gonna find it? Who said that? What'd you say? What did you say? Who said? Somebody said an S word. What'd you say, Amelia? Same. Okay. S word doesn't mean it's a bad word. Same. Okay? Do it the same. So are you going to list the multiples or do you want to do the tree? Your call. Do what you want on your paper. Just do the math. Do the math, Brett. Quit picking at your arm, babe. Make it bleed. I'll give you Band-Aids. Don't have time for blood. That's why my arm's got so many Band-Aids on it. No time for blood. Okay. Now, what do you need to do? Now, do the party? Okay, here's 2s. How many of them are there? 2. So, 2 times 2. And you're going to circle those up with a big circle because those are the ones that got to count. No. Here. When I say you're going to circle them big, I'm going to circle them big. These 2 get to come to the party, okay? Okay, I got 3s. Is that the biggest grouping? Or is there a bigger group? So these 2 get to come to the party. Too bad. Okay. There's a 2 there. This 2's already come? Don't go. What's left? The what? Nope, it's not prime. It's not. What's the other one left? Put it down. Multiply them, get it out. Figure it out. Okay? Okay, you're kind of trying to do the party, right? Are you doing party or are you doing columns? Okay, then you have to make sure these are all completely lined up. See what I mean? By that, I mean, I see your pencil. You're gonna do the columns, you're gonna have to have. So here, what's my column? 2, you agree? What's the column here?
Where are you gonna take it from there?
What's the column? What's the next column? And the next column? See what I mean? Okay. Keep losing my markers. Yes? Yes. Yes. Check her. Let me see it. Check your table. Table check? Look. Biggest party is here. Got both of those. What's the biggest grouping of three? Okay, and that's gonna change it right there. Table check? Does it, yeah, doesn't it get to go to the party? Something wrong, bub. Table check. You see your number. You have table check, so you gotta go check the other two. Okay, if I say table check, that means you got it right. You get to go check your partners. Okay? Everybody done with it? Okay, let's look at this. Do we agree? On the 4, we have 2 and 2.
Yes.
15, do we agree, is 3 and 5. 18 is
9 and 2.
yeah, it was 9 and 2 technically originally. It was 9 and 2, 3 and 3, right? Okay, I'm going to start out with the 2s. Where is the biggest group of 2s and how many are there?
4.
There are 2 of them right there. 2 times 2. Okay, I got 3s. Where's the biggest group of 3s?
18.
Under the 18, and there are 2 of them. And let's see, does this 3 get to come? Nope. Does this 2 get to come?
No.
Nope. I got one number left, the number 5. And I multiply it all together. And what do I get?
180.
180. Now, if you're still trying to deal with multiples by going 4, 12, 16, 20, 24, 26, that might work for 4. I don't know too many of you that skip count by 18s. You just don't. So don't do it. Don't try it. Because the more you do that, where do I have the most chance of error? Doing the prime factorization, doing the factor tree, or skip counting by 18? So don't choose that method, okay? Don't choose the skip count method. Let's see. Yeah, I think we can do this. Let's go on down to, let's apply what we're doing. When would I ever use it? Mrs. Rakestraw, this is so dumb. Why do I have to do it? I'll never use it. Yes, you will. Example, a traffic light changes every 30 seconds. That light's changing pretty fast, isn't it? Every 30 seconds, okay? Let's just see. Hang on a minute. I think it's important. A lot of times you guys don't understand time. Okay. Everybody, light changed. The light changed. Put your hand up. No. It hasn't been 30 seconds yet. So you think it's really fast, but
No, it's not really.
30 seconds? Keep your hand up. Light change. Oh, I like that. He said, I'm going with the other one. But do you see, a light change in 30 seconds, we think of it as being really fast. It's not as fast as what we think, okay? Just wanted you to see that. Another traffic light changes every 40 seconds. One's 30, one's 40. Both lights just change, both lights. Okay? After how many minutes, now, will both lights change at the same time again? Okay, what numbers are important to us in this? 30 is important. What color do I have? Oh, give me a. 30 is important. And 40, but I'm also going to circle up those labels because that's kind of important. Do you agree? 30 seconds and 40 seconds. What is the question you're being asked?
How many minutes will both lights change at the same time again?
How many, I'm going to circle minutes because that's important.
Yeah, because it's not in seconds.
Because your final answer can't be in seconds. Good job. Important things. Okay, so what do I need to know? Am I looking for a greatest common factor or a least common multiple? LCM. I want the LCM between 30 and 40. 30 and 40. Okay? You're going to list multiples, you're going to skip count, or are you going to do a tree? Tree. Works for me. 30, 3 and 10. Do we agree?
Yep.
10 is 2 and 5. Do we agree?
Yep.
Got it. 40.
4 and 10.
4 and 10. Okay. How about 2 and 2? And then 2 and 5, right? Okay. So I need my LCM between those numbers. Who's coming to the party? I got 1 3 over here. Is there any other 3s on the other side? So that's my largest group of 3s. I have 1 2 here. Is there any other group of 2s?
Yes.
And how many are there?
3.
Isaiah? 3 of them. Pulling these guys. These guys get to go to the party. Sorry, you can't come. I got a 5. Do I have any other 5s?
Yes.
Are they larger than what I already got? This 5 gets to come to the party. So, 3 doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. This one, just one of them goes, one of them doesn't, okay? 3 times 2 is, come on kiddos, 6 times 2 is, times 2 is, times 5. You might have to put this 120.
Yep.
Does everybody agree?
Yes.
Now, that's 120
Minutes.
seconds.
1 minute.
Now, you're good. You are really good. Now, go back. Did I answer the question?
No.
How many minutes? I got seconds.
60 seconds.
How do I convert seconds to minutes? And do not blurt. How do I convert seconds to minutes? David. Pardon?
What I would do is take, turn 120 to 60 seconds, which adds up into, well, I would take the 6 on 60, multiply those 60s and add 0.
So how many minutes do you end up with, David?
2.
I agree with you. I personally would probably take 120 and divide it by 60. Because there are 60 seconds in a minute. So I have 2 minutes. Now have I answered the question?
Yeah.
You bet I have. Who said no? Look at it. Oh, okay. Do you see it now, though? Do you notice that the whole bit about other traffic lights, both lights changing, some of that stuff I don't need. I needed it to, but I don't need it to solve it. I gotta have my important numbers and my questions. All right? I gotta see something. I don't know what that is. Oh. We're not doing that one.
That's 7th grade.
No, it wasn't. It was yours. I had just built it in another area, and we already did a writing activity because I just got it done. So this is it. You do not have to do the ticket out thing. You only do your assignment. We've already done our writing piece. running low on time. Sorry about that. I apologize, but it happens sometimes. Okay? Do not do the ticket